The first thing is to install Gramex, which gives you access to PPTXHandler. For that, go to the guide, which is on learn.graminer.com/guide. Under the usage section, the link install Gramex has the details on the various ways you can install Gramex. The direct link for this is learn.graminer.com/guide/install. There are 4 ways of installing Gramex, but the easiest way is to use pip. For that, there's only one command that you need to run, assuming you have Python on your system. You specifically need Python 3.7. Gramex does not yet work on Python 3.8 as of March 2021. So stick to the version that's recommended in the installation guide, and you have the direct links to download these packages. Once you've installed it, there are some optional dependencies such as Node. They are optional for SlideSense, for PPTXHandler. You do need them for other aspects of Gramex. But once you've installed Python, the only other thing that you need to do is run pip install Gramex on your command prompt. So I'm going to do that. Let's open the command prompt and run pip install Gramex. And because Python's installed, pip is also installed as part of it. And in my case, it's saying that I already have all of the dependencies for Gramex. That's because I had installed Gramex earlier. In your case, you'd need to fetch these packages, and it might be a little slower than what I showed you. Then run Gramex --help, and it tells me the version of Gramex that's installed and what are the various options that I could use. With this, you are now ready to use the rest of PPTXHandler's capabilities.